Hello friends, I have received multiple demands from our colleagues in past few days to discuss the issues under PCPNDT Act where uniformity in implementation is lacking. As we all know, PCPNDT Act has created havoc amongst our fraternity members. The main reason behind this is not the act itself, but the main reason is because there are so many loopholes in the act itself. There are differences of interpretation of the act by different appropriate authorities. Different appropriate authorities implement the act haphazardly. And last but not least, the divergent judgments given by different courts have created fear amongst our fraternity members. So definitely there is a need to discuss all these things. We all know that PCPNDT Act is a central act, and central act is to be implemented all over India in a similar way. But in case of PCPNDT Act, in different states, it is implemented differently by different appropriate authorities. Even in a single state, there is no uniformity amongst the appropriate authorities in different districts. And somewhere, even in a single district, if there are more than one of appropriate authority, they are implementing PCPNDT Act differently. So this is the reason why there is a havoc in the fraternity. One by one, in the series of this uniform implementation of PCPNDT Act, we will discuss all the issues where uniformity is lacking and what should be the exact interpretation by the appropriate authority. We will discuss one by one in this series of our web meetings. Thank you. Thank you very much. Hello friends. In this series of uniform implementation of PCPNDT Act, today we are going to discuss regarding the availability of Bare Act of PCPNDT Act and rules in the hospital. Dear friends, we all know under PCPNDT rule number 17 subsection 2, it is mentioned that one copy of the PCPNDT Act and rules should be available in the premises. So it shall be available in the premises, and it shall be made available to the clientele on demand for perusal. That means a copy should be kept in your premises wherever you want to keep it, but when somebody demands, it should be made available to the client. So this is the provision. Now, where is the problem? The problem is that many of our appropriate authorities, while coming into inspection, they demand that PCPNDT Act, Bare Act book should be in the language which patient understands. That means in northern India, it should be in Hindi, in Gujarat, it should be in Gujarati, and in Maharashtra, it should be in Marathi. There is no such provision under PCPNDT Act or rule that the book should be in the local language. And somewhere it is not available even in local language. So to demand such things that it should be in the local language is not a correct demand. Second thing, most of the appropriate authority demand that you should keep a copy of PCPNDT Act and rules, which is the latest one. Yes, definitely it is a logical demand, but it is not always possible to keep the latest copy. So if you have kept the original act with all the amendments available in your hospital, then it should be considered as the latest. So dear friends, such demands for the latest copy of PCPNDT book, that is also unreasonable. You can have 1994 book, and you can have all the copies of different amendments occurred at different time. You can put it separately also with the act itself in a file form. The purpose is that if anybody wants, then you have to provide. If you appropriate authority demand that it should be kept in OPD, see, what is the problem? In many cases, it was found that doctor kept PCPNDT book in OPD, and whenever somebody comes for inspection, that book is not found because some patient or the relative of the patient may have taken it with them. So it is very difficult to take care of the PCPNDT book if it is displayed in OPD. Nobody can continuously keep watch on it. So dear friends, it is advisable to keep copy available in the premises, and if patient demands, then you can definitely provide it from the lock and key. There is no provision that it should be kept in OPD. So dear friends, such demand, first that it should be kept in OPD, second it should be the latest one book only. So that is also not a proper demand. And third thing, what I can say, that when they say that it should be in the language, local language, so there is no such provision under PCPND rule, and such demands are not as per Act. Many cases are filed against many doctors for this particular reason, and there is a need for uniform implementation of Act. Act only says that a copy of the Act should be available in the premises, and it should be the latest with the all the latest amendments. And second thing, that it should be in the language is not mentioned. So if you keep in English also, it should not be considered as the violation of PCPNDT rule, and no action should ever be taken against doctor. In many appropriate authorities are demanding that with every sonography machine or in every consulting room, you are supposed to keep a copy of PCPNDT Act and rules. Again, it is not there in the Act. So for abundant caution, you can keep as many as books you want, but legally only one copy is to be kept available for the for providing it whenever the client demands. So hope I am clear, and there is a need for the uniform implementation in regard to this. Thank you. Thank you very much.